Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Sawdust City Magnets. Out with Anchor Eddie again. We are in a familiar spot, and we're try our luck and see if we can find any treasures today. Eddie's magnet's already in the water, and let's see what he's pulling up. Oh, railroad track.
No, that's not railroad track. That's the piece that tied them together.
All right, I think I got something on my first throw here. Let's see. Wow, this water's deep. Oh yeah. Just some tin. Oh, look at this little jig here I got. Eddie, what'd you get?
Chain.
Oh, that's some old chain, ain't it?
Yeah.
Can you get it off of there or not?
Off of something, I don't know what.
Oh. Yep, some chain. The rest of the stuff of mine, square nail, and nothing too interesting. Ooh, I just latched on the sun pretty heavy. Oh, what in the world could this thing be? Oh, same thing Eddie just got, but on a much bigger scale. Look at the size of that railroad track tie. Ties two railroad tracks together. Wow, that thing's huge. And what did Eddie just get?
Big old bolt.
Wow, some square nails.
A couple of square nails and a washer in there.
Watch out for that fish hook I see.
Yeah, I see it too.
All right. What do I got on here now? Oh, had something. Maybe I still do. Oh, a couple things. What in the world is this? First of all, oh, is that a cable tie? Ties two cables together. Yeah, that's what that is. A bunch of nails on here. Let's see if I can get this off. This looks familiar. Something that I should know. Ah, this is a gear shift of some sort. Right here on this threaded ended would be where the ball goes. And this would go down to the transmission. And you could shift. Or something on that order. That's what that is. It's a gear shift handle. Nice. Alright, I got something on here again. Feels a little on the heavier side. Oh yeah. Look at that. Caught that on the back side of the magnet. And some nails. Just some sort of brace. Look what I just pulled up, guys. These little pliers. Same time I pulled these little pliers up, Eddie got himself a
little fish.
Ooh. A little fish. Hooks need to be replaced, but she's a rattler. Oh, I got something for sure. Whether I can hang on to her or not, because all the rocks down here. I don't know. Ooh, felt like I just clicked on something else as I'm pulling that in. Wow. Well, I should have a couple things on here. Oh, and I do. Look at that one. I know what that is already. We like to get these. That there is a little window weight. They use these to counterweight the windows in the old houses. It had the wood frames and pretty heavy. These would have been hidden in the wall on a little cable and went up and down. So that's kind of cool. And then this other thing I got As I said, I felt like it clicked twice, and I was right. And that's just a big old sawn off bolt. Threads on this side and cut off on the other side. Oh my God, look at that. Second pair of pliers for the day. Don't know if these will work again. Look at that. Clean them up, babies. Clean those babies up and they might just work again. Sure, they're working now. Ooh, I just latched on something heavy here, Eddie.
Yeah.
Yep, it's coming. It's coming. I don't know. We'll know more once it becomes a little buoyant here. Whoa. That's a shaft or a gear or something. A little hard to stand right at the moment. Oh my God, that thing's heavy. Got some kind of keyway like it would accept a gear, and then it's been torched off on this end. Whew, that thing's heavy. Just latched on to something right below us here. Oh no. What in the world is that? I've never seen that. Part of the railroad though. Part of the switch plate for a railroad. And what is this? Oh, some kind of bungee. Wow, look at the size of this thing, guys. Oh, yeah. Let's see what I got on here. Just some kind of a... That looks like the way that's beveled, that would have been part of a whiskey barrel. And then just a piece of conduit. Eddie, what'd you all get? Eddie's magnet right here. Oh, piece of chain. A railroad spike. First one of the day. A file. Pulling her a little fast. Don't want to get caught up on nothing. Oh yeah. Just another one of them. So alright you guys, we just switched sides of the river here. Come here you. Oh, that's really heavy. That's extremely heavy. What did I just latch on over here, guys? Oh, is that a train coupler? Yeah, that's a broken off train coupler. Ooh, I couldn't have got that any better. I would have never sucked that out of the mud otherwise. Wow, look at this train coupler, guys. That thing is awesome. I'm gonna have fun getting my magnet out of there, but wow.
Yeah.
Eddie got one of these a while back that we don't have any video footage of, but it was a little bit bigger than this because it wasn't so broken off. But this is definitely broken off train coupler. Threw in and landed right on top of something. I am dragging it in. I feel it bouncing off the bottom down here. Oh, what do I got now? Oh. The other half. Is that the other half of the train coupler? No way. Holy man. Pop my magnet off of here. Oh. Look at the size of this thing. Does this go to that somehow? Whoa. That is so freaking cool. Once again, guys, I'm on something heavy again. Very heavy. Is that gonna come with me? It feels like it's moving. It definitely is moving. All right, let's see if I can pull this thing up myself. It's heavy. Another homemade anchor. Oh my gosh, thing's huge. Wow. Nice. Oh no, what did he get? What did he get? Oh, is that a wheel hub? Oh. Alright, did I just get that? It sure feels like I got some weight. Nope, I got a piece of sewer pipe.
I got a train brake.
And you got a train brake. Oh. Look at this thing, guys.
Frankies?
No Frankies in there. But that's been down there a while. Oh yeah, I'll let you take that by you. What the heck is that thing? Oh, it's a snare. So in one of our previous videos, you've seen us pull up those counterweights with all the string attached. Yeah, I said they were using those for catfish fishing. So they would sink their line down and then they would take something like this and throw it out to catch that line to pull it up to take the fish off. That's what these were made for. So that's a snare line retriever hook is what I would call that. Pretty cool find. And this is what was on the other end of that. Is that cable? What the heck is that?
I think that's cable.
Whatever it is, really got busted off here. Wow.
And it would bolt down on something and they could lift it.
Wow, that thing's interesting. Cool finds on one throw. What did I just get here now? I just threw out and it landed right on top of something. Just a big old chunk of steel they used to bolt something together. That thing's huge. Look at this thing, guys. Oh, what am I pulling in now? She's awfully, awfully heavy. More railroad parts. Oh no! We got us our first anchor of the day. Look at that, that one's in good shape. Ooh, see how many jigs are on this rope? One. Oh, she's loaded full.
Is that a pair of glasses too?
And a pair of glasses. Look at this, guys. It's all tangled up in the fishing string. Looks like a women's glasses by the arm on here. But look at that. Pair of glasses, fishing tackle galore, and a really nice anchor. Wow, this thing's nice. This is absolutely insane, guys. I just got that anchor and now I'm on something else. Right out in front of the boat here. But what is this now? I'm not quite sure what that is. But we are pulling in some incredibly heavy stuff out of this area. Another wheel. I'm gonna have to start calling you my wheel man. First that tricycle wheel not too long ago, then that 28 Model A wheel, and a train wheel, and now this wheel. Oh my gosh, what are you doing here with all these wheels? Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Eddie just pulled that wheel in, and now I'm on something. Try to get it in before the train gets here. It's pretty heavy, and the train's getting closer and closer. Oh, another window weight.
Part of a wrench.
Some square nails, some kind of a bracket here. Is this a lock? I bet that was a padlock. Nice. Second window weight of the day. Nice. I just latched on to something right below us again. It always seems to be below us because we're drifting down the river. So, what is it? Oh, another railroad spike. And just a piece of busted off metal. These railroad spikes are cool to get though. Right below me again. Ooh, this is really heavy. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming. Whatever could it be? Oh, I don't know. What the heck is that?
Is that like a...
Wow. It looks like a big wishbone to me. Oh, what is this thing? Looks like a control arm for a car. It is way too heavy for that. I have no idea what this is, guys. But it's heavy. Wow.
Okay, we got something here.
Oh, what do you got now?
I don't know. She was sliding around.
Ooh. Is that that's an entire shovel. The fisher would use that to clean his boat.
Ours isn't that bad yet.
If you guys never heard of the Fisher, he's got a YouTube channel. Check him out on The Fisher on YouTube. Oh, did I seriously just get this? Oh, it's heavy. It came from about 25 feet out, and I don't know how many feet of water here. But it's like right underneath me here now. Eddie just told me no more heavy stuff. But of course, another railroad track link. Hey, link them together.
You guys are gonna have to drive the boat.
Wow.
Put me over there.
Jeez. So, alright guys, unfortunately we're going to end this video. We are totally loaded full of stuff. Look at the stuff we got today. Up in the front up here we got some kind of homemade anchor here. Bunch of railroad track parts, unknown pieces. The wheel that Eddie got, the anchor, the little snare line, the train, busted off train coupler. Looks like both pieces we got. One bucket half full of stuff on the floor back here. That's the other half bucket, and this whole wagon full of stuff. The shovel, the several homemade anchors. So if you liked the video today, please slam that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Check the link below if you're interested in a magnet from Kratos. Use saw blade, all capital letters, for a 12% discount code. Peace.